MOX first generation prototype made it here safely. And the writing time for our Kickstarter launch, which is scheduled for August 12, 2018. As you can tell, it looks slightly different from our original prototype, which we have very sentimental feelings about. But for now, we'll just use it internally. Let's go over a few of those changes, which are based on the feedback that you provided us. First of all, obviously the design. It's slicker, it's lighter, it's thinner. The bottom actually now fits into a standard cup holder. The midsection has a nice grip, which is also soft. And the inside does not have a heating element anymore, which thanks to your feedback we eliminated, because it could be very easily breakable if you try to stir something. Also, the insides of the product are optimized to make sure that it can be efficiently manufactured and assembled. Let's test it. I have a liquid here, which is room temperature. The liquid is actually water. So I'm going to test it with water. If I pour it in and I hold the button, it's actually just one button, which is kind of nice in my opinion, but we'll see what you have to say about that. If you press and hold it for 5 seconds, the light will start blinking blue, and it means that it's heating it up to 40 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Fahrenheit. But if you hold it some more, first it'll turn off after 5 seconds, but if you hold it some more, for 10 seconds, you'll see a green light blinking, which means that the degree that it's gonna heat it up, it'll stop when it's 70 degrees. Okay, so we had it on for about 7 minutes, and the blinking light is no longer blinking. It's actually a solid green light, which means that the content, our water, is now a 70 degrees Celsius. And if I pour it back in the cup, you could probably tell there's obviously some vapor on the cup and some steam coming out. When I test it next time, I'll ensure that I have the thermometer, but it's definitely hot and definitely working. I wanted to point out that it did it completely wirelessly. It wasn't connected to anything, it wasn't plugged in. The only thing that plugs now is the charging dock. So very convenient to use on the go. Big thank you to the engineering team who, through many trials and tribulations, were able to incorporate so many and successfully incorporate so many changes into this new prototype that is going to be manufactured. That actually leads me to to my lesson I've learned this week, is define your own success. Yes, it is very important for us to reach our goals during the Kickstarter launch, scheduled August 12, 2018, both for validation reasons and to, of course, raise the money to manufacture first 100 or 500 units, if we're lucky. But this moment, however, just having the product that is developed, a product that we're very proud of, is a success on its own. And that lesson can be applied to anything in life. If you're having a great day with your loved ones, that's a success. If you are promoted at work, that's a success. Or let's say, if you finally figure out how to solve Rubik's Cube, that is a great deal of success for some people. The only thing is that however you define success, whatever it means to you, make sure you go out there and make it yours. Thank you.